My favorite part about the nursing program is the small clinical sizes and the small class sizes. Whenever you go to clinical, it's up to 9 students, and then you have a GA and your clinical instructor. So it's really like 2 or 4 on 1, and so you really get the hands-on experience with your clinical instructors, and they really can be one-on-one with you to teach you. I think that having knowledgeable and experienced professors is important in this field because they can relate their experiences to what we're learning in the classroom. If they don't have that, then I don't really have an example to go by. So whenever they can relate examples to what they have seen or what they've experienced to what we're learning in class, it really makes the class more interactive and more relatable. My education here at Southeast has prepared me because I have had clinical experience for every class that I've had, but those experiences have allowed me to kind of pick and choose like what I do like and what I don't like, and I can go into a field that I am passionate about. But I also think that having that experience in all those other fields will help me ultimately whenever I do choose a field, because you never know what kind of patients are going to walk through the door.